it a 7 out of 10. And how much I give it? 2. Like Canada BBL Central. Good morning. It's Sandz Day, and we're gonna start off by getting my hair done. I'm not gonna do this in the vlog because it's gonna be just, the vlog is gonna be just too long. But anyway, I'm going to Sandz. This is the hair, gonna install it now. I'm aiming to leave here. The Sandz is gonna be in it's 12 o'clock shoot. 12 o'clock, oh my god. 12 o'clock, we're aiming to leave at 2 because it's all the way in Markham. So me not even have time for video, so soon come back. Okay guys, I'm ready. So that's the hair. I did my little thing, and this is what I'm wearing. Just a simple jumpsuit. That's why I wanted to put in the blonde here to kind of bring it off. This cute little bag and my slipper. Not wearing any makeup, time too hot for that, but that's the fit. So I'm running late, so soon come back. We're now on our way to Sandz. My brother is here. My girl is here. Now we're gonna pick up my bestie at like the carpool. So what? we reach a Sandz, you know. We reach a good time. What time now? 4:36 now. So girl, is them ready? Dear, never know them ask the ID if you go in a party. I probably them only security company. So you can. Wow, it's taller?
Like can you raise, like,
make it go higher?
like this can stretch?
No, but they have one extension where it could have been longer. Wanna get up? Drinks line are too long. What's the one next box? See there? More bar over there. This go more pop up by the entrance. No? I don't think I'm supposed to open it. I think it's actually supposed to be on that side. Oh. So, sorry, vodka, soda, and the strawberry. You would like that piece? Oh, wow. Sweetie. Punch, one punch. You like sweetie stuff.
rum punch a little bit too sweet.
Yeah.
Make me tell Angelica because who's that? Her? Rum punch? Yeah, rum punch.
Oh, this happened to me?
That's her.
Pack up your more ice. Yeah. I'm gonna drop down in our Sandz today, you know.
Why you drop down?
No!
We don't go a lot.
Thank you. Right. Thank you so much.
I love your nails.
Thank you.
What about mine? Okay, wait, I didn't see them.
kidding,
Oh,
just
but no, I like the regular. I'm the same way.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, let's do perfect.
And you want some ice? Thank you. Angelic. Hey.
Let me show you.
Me say the hip hop party them in a Sandz are blind me. Here big party. Oh my God.
Everybody in here, guys, $100,000 in your microphone. Put your fucking hands up. Very advice.
Really? In that crowd?
Yeah, when you're there, so no, but people are looking on you, but when you're in, they're so, like everybody doesn't have fun.
But we have to have an escape plan.
That is true.
In case something happen, one gate right down there so we go through.
That is true.
Right down there so.
Ladies! Yeah!
That's true.
Ladies, I want you to take your time, put your hands on your knees. You ready? Go down!
Santella empty door, empty like our. Or maybe the venue is too big. Angelique is the life of the party. Since you've been gone. Somebody else dropped down, guys. I can't hear you from the first. Yeah, yeah. You've been gone.
That's this shit. Everybody was so clean. Ladies, if your pussy is clean, and you come outside with your good pussy friend there, why you jump your friend? Jump your friend.
I got my money.
You're the body still at Toronto, but you're not bad like me, a blood clot.
Whenever I go out, I leave a little bit earlier so we are not stuck in traffic or long line.
Look, my thing is right, right. It's only this one thing that this week, so everybody wants here to think of
Girlies, them stop forget jerk chicken. Nothing more Sandz. Okay? Last year ain't better?
Dry.
Nothing ganja. You were okay. The performance at this point then can't do Sandz without performance because we don't really understand that the performance there. Brian, what do you think about Sandz?
You sure you want to hear everything?
Yes. Talk the truth.
You never see so much fake body.
No. Hey, how come Canada take over a whole like BBL? Like Canada BBL Central. Every look me see one big bottom. Big bottom and straight nose and plump lip too. The woman them lip big your fat. No sir. But otherwise, it is okay. Never had that. I like how they have security. And it never that bad for get in and it ain't bad for come out. Otherwise, I get a 7 out of 10.
Really?
What did I get, Angelique?
4. 4.
And how much I get?
2. See, you too generous. That's what you do.
How much did I give them, bro?
At least a 5.
Bum blood. Well, you heard it. Hope you liked this little vlog.
The food though, it's good food time. 9.
What's food?
The food, a good food 9 out of 10.
Body food out the road. Festival them bad. And the money festival now, you run it as a stuff in your face and ask if nobody want none.
I love my food.
I want a festival, man.
Here.
Thanks. Anyway.
You just get festival for you if you want a festival itself.